Okay, so what is a fraction? A fraction is a single number that represents a part of a whole. Okay, so what does that even mean? What does it mean to represent a part of a whole? A part, so first let's look at what a fraction looks like. Here's an example of a fraction. 3/4. A part would be this 3, and the whole would be this 4. Okay, so that means 3/4. So that's the fraction, and in the fraction 3/4, the top number is the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. Okay, and the part will always be the numerator, and the whole will be the denominator. And let's look at a diagram of what this 3/4 fraction looks like. We can show it this way, maybe in a circle. So we have the whole, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, which is here, and we're saying that it's 3/4. So 3 parts of the whole 4. So I can say that this is, so now it is 3/4. Okay, so now we have covered in 3 parts of the whole, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we could also represent 3/4 like this. This is one way. This is like a graphic way. We can also say it, maybe we have 4, things, and 3 of those things are shaded in or something. So that's also 3/4. We could also do something like maybe a rectangle where we have 4 different parts, 4 equal parts. And that's another thing about fractions, is that all of these things should be equal sizing. Okay, so all 4 of these parts have to be the same size. So let's see. I'm trying my best to make it the same size, but it's gonna be pretty tricky. Let's see. All right, it's close enough. And if I say that 1, 2, 3, that also represents 3/4. Are there other ways to represent 3/4? Yes, I could even have like a number line where I have a number line. Let's say it's from 0 to 1. Where would 3/4 be? 3/4 would be right around there. So let's split this up into different parts. So this would be 1/2, and then this would be half of 1/2, and this would be 3/4. Okay, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 marks here, and we're saying that 3/4 of this, so this is 3/4 here, and then this would be 4/4, which is equal to 1. Okay, so we have 1/2. So we have 1/2. We have 3/4. So half of 1/2 would be 1/4. Okay, so that means it's 1 out of the 4, right? This could also, just instead of writing 1/2, I could write 2/4, okay, which is the same as 1/2. And this is 0/4, which is just 0. Okay, so if this is confusing, we're going to cover a lot of this, what all these mean, but this is a big picture overview of what a fraction is, how to represent it, numerator, denominator. But the idea here is that it is a part of a whole, the whole being the denominator and the part being the numerator. We're going to learn that a number over the same number is equal to 1. We're going to learn that 2 over 4 is equal to 1/2. It's the same representation, but different numbers. Yeah.